Hey, Scrappy Peeps, Susanna here today for a cherry on top, and I am sharing with you the November cherry box. So I'm going to do an unboxing of that and then come back in, probably a week to see what I create with these fantastic goodies. So, ta-da! November cherry box. This is exciting. So, obviously fall, some awesome fall goodies, and I love that it's a mix of collections and stuff. So, we'll start with the paper pad. Ooh, these are fun. All right. So, Farmstead Harvest is the paper pad, and it's a 12 by 12 pad. This is from American Crafts, and it has foil embellished pages with it. So I'm just going to slit through these stickers, and then we will go through these papers. So there's 24 double-sided sheets, so probably 2 of each of 12 patterns. And let's see what we got here. So some nice 3x4 pocket cards, and you can see that gold foil there. Some great, so not just Thanksgiving, but fall as well. Thankful, happy fall, some mushrooms. Look at that roof on that house, that's cool. And then the B side of that is an orange plaid. Some fall leaves and acorns. I love the fine detail of that. And that would make a good background page because, so for example, let's just say this was my photo, right? You can still see all the detail of that pattern. The B side of that is a nice tone-on-tone orangey red. Then we have these florals. I like that black. That's fun. And the B side of that is it's almost like a DNA strand, a helix, orange, tone on tone. And then look at the gold foil in that. So fall scene really with deer and rabbits, acorns, mushrooms. And then the B side is a fun sort of greeny blue, sort of more blue plaid. Then we have this larger pattern, again with a black background of mushrooms and acorns, or fungi. Fun guys, and the tone-on-tone green sort of stitched circles there, and more foliage. And then the B side of that is another tone-on-tone. This is a yellow plaid. Then we have these, it's like a quilted background, and you've got this fun gold foil there with another tone-on-tone, and this is green. Green. No, that is not green, Susanna. That is yellow. And some fun stripes. I love borders. Those of you who know me love that I play with borders a lot. And so I probably will use that, the houses, and they're not stitch marks, but they look like cross stitching. The leaves are gold foiled too. These leaves and those sort of trees. And then the B side of that is a green DNA strand helix, double helix, only it's not double. Oh, orange was the one from before. All right, and then we've got some houses. And the B side of that is a fun sort of orange with it's like a fabric texture stripe. Some more florals with a black background. I like that there's a lot of black in this. Ooh, I like this. It's like a stitched fabric. And then I think this might be the last piece, maybe 2 more pieces. So you've got your fungi, another fall tight small pattern background, and a fun blue, gray blue tone on tone, and then ooh, tags. Yes, happy Suzanna. And some of those are gold foiled, and some skinny tags, and just some matching word phrases. And then we don't need to know but the B side of this because we don't want to waste this. We won't want to know that we can't use our tags, but it is a green stitched sort of tone-on-tone background there. So that is the notepad that comes with the kit. You will also get these embellishments, so also from American Crafts, fallish, and there are 46 pieces there. They are also gold foiled. I love these. A little frame down here, pumpkins, some cool fall phrases, and then the deer that coordinate with that pattern paper, as well as the rabbit. The whole thing coordinates, right? Those are the same houses. So that'll be fun to create a layout with. What else do we have? We have, I'm going to come back to this in a second. So we have these decorative tapes from Prima. And to go with the other Prima goodies, we have those things, but let me get these tapes out for you. So you've got 4 tapes. You've got a, oh, this is fun. It goes with the black, sparkly black and a sparkly orange. So these would also work for Halloween too, I think. And polka dots. So this is hard to see because of the opacity, I don't know how to say that word, of this tape, but it is very sticky. But so that it is see-through, right? Is how that's gonna look. And then the other one that we have says blessed, with butterflies on either side of that. And so that is what that looks like. Super sticky washi. So those are the washies that come with the kit. And then you also get these really awesome, they look like they're felt, Prima leaves. And it looks like a rub-on. It's vellum. How cool is that? Every great story on the planet happened when someone decided not to give up, and so on and so forth. But look how they feel like rice paper, but a thick rice paper. They're not velvet, but they have a very cool texture to them, which add to that real feel of the leaves. So that's from Prima. And then also from Prima are these adhesive rub-ons, Autumn Blessings. There are 4 sheets of these, and you can see all of the phrases there. Be thankful, family, blessed. So if you were a card maker, also good just for title work, like happy fall, be thankful, I'm grateful. Could do a mini album full of that stuff. And then you have these Zizic Thinlets. Look at those squirrels and those acorns, so fun. And lots of layers. You can layer these up, because this squirrel, like, there's his belly, there's the ear innards, and there's a tail, and there's another tail, 2 leaves, 2 acorns with their textured tops, and then 2 mushrooms or fungi with their textured tops. So that's awesome. This is an amazing value for money, this kit. It's not a kit, I should say, this box. And then these are like shrinky dinks. So 1 in gold, 1 in silver, and then 1 in bronze. So Jess, I think, has used these over on the, I think she did a live with them. And so apparently what she did was she cut these and then used her heat tool on them, and they made really cute little charms. So be sure to come back. I'm going to play with them before I do it on video, obviously, because I don't want it to be a forever long video. Learn some cool tips to pass on to you, but these look like a ton of fun. So that, my friends, is the November Cherry Box. You have until the 25th, I believe, to subscribe and or order it if there are extras available. And I will link you in the description box down below to the details for that. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you are doing well. Come back again soon. Take care.